Episodes.
No. Craftacular.
Hi, I'm Erin. Welcome to Craftacular.
I'm Jeremy. Hi. I'm late, sorry.
Today we're going to be making sock puppets.
Yay!
Okay, the first thing you're going to do when making your sock puppets is you're going to find some random socks that are just lying around your house. Maybe you have a whole basket of random socks in your washing room somewhere. So, here I have a pile of random socks. I got you a pink one.
Ooh, pink.
I got a yellow one. And what you're going to want to do is you want to put it on your arm and just see how it fits. You're going to want to have your hand open like this because this is going to be the mouth, like this. Like that. Here. You want to have some slack inside.
Okay.
Here, like this. Yeah. See that?
Hello.
And you want a sock. If you have a big hand, you might want a longer sock. If you have a small hand, a shorter sock. Okay? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a mouth inside the sock. Put some eyes on it. You can add a nose, some hair. You can get really creative with these sock puppets, but today, just for the purposes of this video, we're going to make a very simple sock puppet.
Yay! Sock puppets!
Okay, the first step is to take your sock, lay it down on the table, and what I've done is I've cut some black and some red felt. This is going to be the mouth, and this is going to be the tongue. Okay? Take the black felt and cut it like an oval. Put it into an oval shape. Put some glue on your felt. I'm using plastic knives. You can use toothpicks or tongue depressors, anything you want. You glue that down into the inside, like that. And then your little red piece, you cut a tongue out of.
Nice.
And then you're going to also glue that tongue to the inside, like that. And that's the inside of your mouth. Now we're going to add the eyes and some hair. So turn your sock puppet over. I have here a bowl of random buttons and some googly eyes. Take some googly eyes. Some glue on the back. Glue them down. After you glue on your eyes, you can do some hair. And for that, I have some yarn. So, what yarn you want to use? You want to use some red?
Yeah, I guess red looks nice on the pink.
Okay. You can also use felt or the embroidery floss, anything that you have. So, you can, whatever you want. What I was going to do is I was going to make some long hair for my sock puppet. Cut some long hair. And you want to cut some hair for your sock puppet?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. My sock puppet's balding, so I'm only going to have a little bit of hair.
I'm gonna put some glue on my hair. You glue the hair down.
Actually, I just want to give him a comb over, so I'm going to just get little strands. Can I do that?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
You can do whatever you want. I like that.
Maybe I give him a three hairs. Glued to one side.
Yeah,
Okay.
I like that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, after you have your hair on and your eyes on, just wait for everything to dry, and then you're ready to play with your sock puppets.
Oh, yeah. I can't wait to play with them.
Okay, good. Words?
No. Craftacular.
For today's craft, you'll need lentils, balloons, 3/4 measuring cup, funnel, and scissors. Hi, welcome to Craftacular.
Hey guys. Did I cut you off?
Hi.
Hi guys.
Hi, welcome to Craftacular. I'm Erin, and this is my trusty sidekick, Jeremy.
Hi guys.
Today we're going to be making beanbag balls.
Craftacular, 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 craftacular.
Are there any other words?
No. Craftacular.
I have all my materials laid out in front of me. My dried lentils, my colored balloons, my 3/4 cup measuring cup, my funnel, and scissors. We're ready.
Awesome. Let's make some balls.
The first step when making your beanbag balls is to choose 3 colored balloons. So choose 3 colored balloons.
Okay.
Choose green, blue, and yellow.
Yellow, orange, and red.
2 of these balloons are going to be used as your outside color. Just like this ball, we used red and orange. And 1 of your balloons is going to be the inside. This balloon you are not going to see. So what are your 2 outside colors?
I'm gonna do orange and yellow.
Okay.
And my inside is gonna be red.
Okay, perfect. Take your inside balloon, you're going to blow it up.
Hold it for 30 seconds?
30 seconds.
Okay.
And then release it. I think you're good. Okay. Now that your balloon is all loose, you're going to need 3/4 cup of lentils. So I'm gonna give you some 3/4 cup of lentils. Okay.
Good.
3/4 cup of lentils. And we're each gonna need a measuring cup. I'm sorry, a funnel. We're each gonna need a funnel.
Here you go.
Thank you. Take your inside balloon, stick your funnel inside. And you're gonna slowly pour your lentils into your funnel. Just very few at a time. Pour in a few and then give it just a few. Just to push some of those back in the bowl. There you go. And give it a shake until they all go down inside the balloon. It's like a musical instrument. And then once they're out of the funnel, some more. How's it coming over there?
Not as fast as you. Get in the balloon.
Get in the balloon. As the balloon starts to fill with lentils, the lentils are going to start to go into the neck of the balloon. When that happens, you have to push them down into the actual circular part of the balloon. So as the lentils go into the neck, what I do is I'm using the tip of the funnel to push the lentils down into the balloon. Oops. See how I'm pushing the lentils down into the balloon? I'm done. I have all my lentils in.
I'll catch up with magic. Magic!
You're all caught up.
Nice.
Good. So the next step is to take a pair of scissors and to cut off a little bit of this, what do you call this part of the balloon?
The neck.
The neck.
Blowhole part.
parts, yes. Because we don't want this round rim thing on it, your
Okay.
balloon. So take the scissors and just cut off this top part. Whoa, that's great. Whoa.
Okay. You be the moil.
Okay.
No, then here.
Okay. Put your fingers. And I'm going to do the same to mine.
Maybe the kids should not do this part.
Yes, parents should do this part. Then you take whatever color you want to be your inside color here, and you're going to cut it like that. There you go. And you're going to fit it over your bowl. Just like that.
All the way around.
As well as far around it as it will go. Then you take the balloon that you want for your outside color.
Okay. I'm gonna change my color to purple. Is that alright?
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Alright. And you're going to cut this one also.
Where do you want to cut it?
The same way you cut the other one.
Oh, okay. So below
So,
the neck, blow
below the
thing.
neck, blow the whole thing. Just
Technical
like
term.
that. And you're going to stretch this one over, but you don't want to see the inside balloon because we're trying to reinforce everything so that nothing breaks. Okay. So now we're done, and we're going to show you all the fun things that you can do with your new beanbag balls.
This is gonna be awesome.